It's now time for this week's Caravan Clicks. And another great website we found is ukcampsitefinder.co.uk. UK Campsite Finder is a complete detailed directory of camping and caravanning sites in the UK, and it's so easy to use. You simply hover your mouse over the area or county you're interested in, and the name of the county is shown in the status bar at the bottom of the screen. By clicking on that county, another page pops up with all the campsites in list form, their address details, phone number, website URL and opening times. On the left side of the page is a map showing the exact location of the sites with red map pins. And it gets even better. Clicking on the red link, Show on Map, will open up a photographic quality satellite view of the campsite and the surrounding areas, giving you an aerial view of all the facilities available at that campsite. How good is that? I recently contacted Nina Blanchard, the site owner, and she was telling me about something new for the site in 2010. This is the Special Camping Discount Card. It's the first membership card of its kind in the UK. It provides you with a valuable resource for lots of discounts in top quality camping areas, a monthly newsletter, a local sourced comprehensive listing of camping materials, and even greater access to their forum. By the time this episode goes out, everything should be finalised, and full details of how you can get your card should be posted on the website at ukcampsitefinder.co.uk. You can also find Nina representing her site at the Boat and Caravan Show 23rd to the 28th of February 2010 at the NEC Birmingham. Pay them a visit at stand 41.